Today, I'm gonna teach you how to hand roll like Taylor Lautner. Taylor Swift recently released a music video where he does a really dope open bow routine. He doesn't do your typical hand roll. Your typical hand roll is usually done with one hand, and it's done to set up a trick, hand roll, trick, or strick. However, he makes the hand roll the actual trick itself by utilizing his other hand, a helper hand, to keep his dominant hand in place. Without this, your hand will start to slide down the bow until you lose grip of it. If you know how to hand roll, great, you're a step ahead. If you don't know how to hand roll, that's okay, we're starting from the top anyways. So let's do this. You wanna use your dominant hand as your base hand. So my dominant is my right hand, so my dominant hand will start in the center of the bow. Luckily for me, I have a logo in the center of my bow. If you don't know the center of your bow, make sure you try and find it, and if it'll help you, put a little sticker or something in the middle so you know where to place your hand. When you're doing this hand roll, you're gonna have an assistant hand. This is my assist hand. What you're gonna do is turn your wrist until it's wrist down and continue as far as your mobility will let you. From here, your helper hand is gonna bring the bow around, open, reset the hand, back to start. That's essentially what you're gonna do, and then you just speed that up more and more and more to make that the trick. So again, start here, rotate the wrist as far as you're able to, use the helper hand, bring it around, reset the hand. Now, if you notice on this one, I missed my logo. So I didn't recenter my hand. Make sure every time you're centering that hand out so your hand doesn't drift to one side of the bow and make it uneven, because what happens there is your rotation isn't as flawless, it doesn't go as fast, or it ends up being a little lopsided. So that's why this hand is so vital. So as it's coming around, you assist and you track the center with this dominant hand and reset it every time. So as it comes around, you reset, around, reset. You'll have to make sure that you practice a lot to get the coordination down, because your hands need to work together and it needs to know the exact placement, the exact time that they switch. So as you do it, you get that coordination, and then you could go faster and faster and faster and faster, and that's how it becomes a trick. And now you know how to hand roll like Taylor Lautner. If you decide to give it a shot, tag me in your Instagram story so I could take a look. I plan on doing the entire combo that he does in the music video, so stay tuned for the next one. And I'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone. Look at where my feet were the whole video.